Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Okay, so it's fall time, and we've got brand new gutters on this house, okay? They just got put on less than 2 weeks ago, and they were already completely packed with leaves, completely jam-packed because of this giant tree. As you can see, this tree hasn't even started to lose its leaves yet, okay? So this homeowner is smart enough to know that they need leaf guards in these gutters so the gutters don't get packed and they don't start like flooding into their eaves and their soffits and stuff like that. Because a gutter that works good is very good for your house, but a gutter that works bad damages your house. Okay, so we have these metal leaf guards from Amerimax, all right? They're metal, they're painted black, and I'll have links in the description down below where you can purchase these at. And these are good for 4, 5, or 6 inch, with gutters, which is great. So let's go up here and show you how easy it is to snap these in. All right, so we've already got one in place. You're gonna take it and you're gonna make sure you're just gonna lift up the shingles a little bit so you can get underneath them. All right, trying to make enough room so that this can go in. Just be careful with them, especially if your shingles are older. Okay, once you got them in, then pull it forward and it will just line around your edge of your gutter right there. Now you can see this, we've got this notch cut out right here, and that's so that the two can overlap. Now we're just going to simply slide this one over, and there we go. They've overlapped, there's no gaps, and we have a very good surface to keep the leaves, acorns, walnuts, and everything else out of your gutters. Well, I hope you can see how quick and easy that is, and it's a very effective tool to protect your home. And fall, if you don't have it there, best time to get it done right now before this thing drops its leaves. So guys, I hope this really helps you out. Simple video, you can see how easy it can be done. Great DIY project. If you wouldn't mind taking a moment to subscribe to my channel, check out my website. Hundreds of more videos organized really, really well, and there's some additional videos for you to watch as well. Thanks again.